Hello friends, welcome to the Why Things channel. Today we're diving into a question we've all wondered about: why are some people left-handed? About 10% of the world is left-handed, but why does this trait appear? Is there a genetic secret behind being left-handed, or is it a mysterious trick of the brain? Perhaps environmental factors are the guilty culprits. If you are ready, let's pursue this interesting riddle. Let's get started. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, because we will continue with such intriguing topics. 1. The origin of left-handedness, genetics or coincidence? To understand the causes of left-handedness, let's first look at genetics. Scientists say that about 25% of left-handedness is due to genetic factors. Yes, you heard that right, some of it runs in the family. For example, if one of your parents is left-handed, your chances of being left-handed are slightly higher. But here's an interesting detail: most children of left-handed parents are still right-handed. This is because left-handedness is determined not by a single gene, but by the complex dance of about 40 different genes. One theory talks about two genetic variants called D and C. The D gene promotes right-handedness, while the C gene increases the chance of being left-handed to 50%. But even these genes don't explain everything. For example, identical twins can have the same genes, but one can be left-handed and the other right-handed. What this tells us is this: genetics is important, but not the whole story. 2. The role of our brain, left or right? So, what does our brain do? Our brain works as if it is divided into two halves. The left half controls our right side, the right half controls our left side. Right-handed people are usually left brain dominant. But with left-handers things are a bit different. In most left-handers, the right brain controls hand movements. But interestingly, for 70% of left-handers, language skills are still located in the left brain. So, the left-handed brain has a slightly more flexible organization. Could this difference explain why left-handers sometimes excel in creative professions or verbal skills? Science has mixed results on this, but it's clear that left-handed brains work in a unique way. 3. Environmental factors and historical pressures. Apart from genetics and the brain, environmental factors can also influence left-handedness. For example, certain hormones to which the mother is exposed during pregnancy, such as DES, a drug used between the 1940s and 70s, seem to increase left-handedness rates. Ultrasound scans are also thought to have a weak effect. There is also a historical fact: left-handers used to be frowned upon in society. In the Middle Ages, left-handedness was associated with the devil. So many left-handers were forced to use their right hand. This pressure may have contributed to the low rates of left-handedness. Fortunately, today left-handers can freely be themselves. 4. Evolutionary advantages: why left-handedness still exists. So why hasn't left-handedness been lost in evolution? Some scientists think that left-handedness provides a competitive advantage. For example, in sports like boxing or fencing, left-handers can surprise their right-handed opponents. Just imagine, when you face a left-handed opponent, you might be challenged by an unfamiliar style. But this theory doesn't fully explain why only 10% are left-handed. Another view is that left-handedness is a byproduct of the asymmetrical structure of the brain and has found its place in evolution. Here is the secret of left-handedness: genetics, the unique organization of our brains, environmental factors, and even evolutionary advantages. Left-handedness is a wonderful example of human diversity. Left-handed people enrich the world with their unique perspective. Perhaps you are left-handed or know a left-hander. Share your experiences with left-handedness in the comments, we're curious. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you in our next Why question. Take care and goodbye.